Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Open the Dstv app and check the version, then make sure your device OS is compatible. Once done, confirm a stable connection, aim for at least 0.5 to 1 MB per second. Weak Wi-Fi often causes errors. Next, force close the app, reboot the phone or set-top box, and clear any unrelated background apps. This removes transient conflicts and cached faults, so the next steps can apply clean diagnostic actions without misleading symptoms. Now you tackle account and storage causes. First, log out and then log back in to refresh authentication tokens. This resolves many permission errors. Next, clear the app cache. If problems persist, clear app data or reinstall to reset corrupted files. Make sure your subscription is active and that the app lists the correct decoder or device ID because mismatched devices trigger playback errors. Finally, reconnect to the network. By doing these steps, you eliminate credential and corrupted data issues before system repair. For final fixes, isolate the network. Switch to mobile data, disable VPNs, or try another Wi-Fi to rule out ISP blocks. Once connected, force a time sync and review app permissions. Background data and storage access must be allowed. If playback still fails, collect the error code and device log, then contact Dstv support. One key troubleshooting tip: when you report the issue, include the exact error code, app version, and a brief description of steps you already tried to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.